Hello, and a warm welcome back to my channel. Today I'm continuing the enlightening exploration of the book, Mindset, the New Psychology of Success, and discussing its insights into investing and risk management, hoping it brings a little illumination into our lives. Firstly, let's talk about a regularly overlooked concept, the power of compounding. It demonstrates how even small daily improvements can accumulate into massive accomplishments in the future. It's simple enough to understand, yet we barely grasp its true potential, as significant changes at the initial stage barely even notice. Take Warren Buffett's example. His wealth accumulation gained real momentum post the age of 50. However, the key was that he started investing at 11 and maintained long-term stable returns. Instead of being a late bloomer, he began accumulating earlier, harnessed the magic of compound interest, and amassed immense wealth. Jim Simons, despite having an annual return of 66, started late, resulting in his final fortune still falling short of Buffett's. This underlines the patience and long-term perspective required to embrace compound interest. For a more vivid example, if you start earning money in January, doubling your income every day, you would have over $1 billion by the end of the month. But if you delayed for a week, you would end up with just $8 million. This astonishing difference certainly highlights the non-intuitive nature of the compound effect. Next, we will discuss the concept of the long tail, which explains how vast outcomes can be achieved by seizing a minimal number of successful opportunities. This is well illustrated by entities like Disney, that reversed its fate with a single successful production, Snow White. Similar is the case with Amazon, constantly experimenting, leading them to immense success through their cloud service, AWS. For investors, this reveals that we shouldn't put all resources into a single option, but should diversify the investments. Acquiring an index fund such as S&P 500 or Russell 3000 implies diversifying investments in multiple firms simultaneously, reducing risks and increasing winning probabilities. However, the rewards of success don't come without a price. Market volatility is a challenge investors have to face to obtain long-term returns. The price swings in the market can be perceived as an entrance fee, a mandatory cost for accruing long-term benefits. Further, provide room for errors. We need to acknowledge a fact that resides in a world of uncertainty and unpredictability, as past unexpected events demonstrate our inability to predict the future. This underscores the necessity to prepare ourselves to survive post-making mistakes and progress forward. Whether it's at a poker table or in the stock market, having an adequate contingency fund to navigate adverse situations is crucial. Finally, the author shares his investment strategy: hold a low-cost index fund, but also keep some money aside for unexpected situations. For most people, this long-term strategy could be the key to success. Also, understand that living solely on a monthly salary without planning for the future is a dangerous approach. I hope these insights provoke some thoughts in you. Remember, the book, Mindset, the New Psychology of Success, definitely warrants a read. Thanks for your support, and I look forward to catching up with you in our next video. Until then, goodbye.